यस, थोड़ा हेलो 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 हेलो, इट्स देयर ऑडिबल? यस, ऑल राइट। हे गाइस, हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो? मैम बहुत बढ़िया है। देन गुड आफ्टरनून। मैम ऑफिस में है, हम बोल नहीं सकते बहुत जोर से। एनीवेज, कोई घर पे बैठा है तो जोर से बोलो गुड आफ्टरनून। यस, दैट्स द जोश। ऑल राइट, द कॉन्सेप्ट इज फॉरेन करेंसी कन्वर्टेबल बॉन्ड्स, FCCBs. Now you should also know the full form. You should also know that short form FCCB stands for what. It can come in MCQs. ठीक है, they can give you multiple 4 options and then you have to choose the correct one. So repeat that once again. Foreign currency convertible bonds. Now what are these? Why are these? क्यों है, क्या है, कैसे है, ये सब आपको बता दिया है पिछले लेक्चर में। वी हैव डिस्कस दिस कॉन्सेप्ट अराउंड 35 minutes. Alright? So now you shouldn't forget this. 3 to 4 marks, rather 5 marks also into your pocket if this question comes, and this can definitely come like as a short note in theory. अगर आप नीचे जाएंगे और वहां पे theory questions देखेंगे in this particular chapter, they are asking every bit of part, every bit of part of your study mat of this particular chapter, introduction to financial management. ठीक है, now this concept is over. I am not discussing that once again. You have to revise again and again. ठीक है, external commercial borrowings. Read this concept from here. Please read. What are these and why are these into picture? External commercial borrowings, are they not enough? GDRs, these FCCBs, why this again? External commercial borrowings. The name itself suggests, देखो मार्क कर रही हूँ, external commercial borrowings. External मतलब what? बाहर से। क्या? borrowings, पैसा आ रहा है, मतलब that is borrowed funds, we need to repay that back. Commercial means it's not for personal use, it is for business. So external commercial borrowings. Now what could be the commercial things? Why do you need the borrowings? Okay, for T you need the borrowings. T बाहर से आएगी? No. Then stationery बाहर से आएगी? No. What could be the thing that could be imported from outside India? Import means what? What is mean by import? Import means something coming into India crossing the custom frontiers. As soon as it crosses those frontiers and it reaches India, it is called as import. Right? Import from anywhere, then foreign countries say. So it says that this is particularly for towards import of plant and equipments. This could be the thing. You need a heavy investment, plus some plant and equipments may not be available in India. Therefore, these borrowings. And this could be lump sum as well. Now say borrowings, it is not from people, like GDRs are from people, FCCB is from people. मैम ऐसे कैसे बात कर रहे हो? वेट अ सेकेंड, सी we discussed upon FCCBs. FCCBs are issued in the form of debt plus, है ना, पहले as a debt issue किया जाता है, it is a debt bond, then eventually it is converted into equity. It depends on the choice of this investors. These are given by people. Now GDRs are also an investment done by people outside India, ठीक है, and this borrowings, they are from foreign institutions, foreign development bank, World Bank, etc. So it is lump sum amount. Individual, it is not received individually, 1%, 2%, 3%. Like for GDR, many people will subscribe for the GDR. Money will be received from single individual personalities. For FCCBs, individual personalities से पैसा आएगा. But for this external commercial borrowing, this is a lump sum amount which is received from all these institution, foreign institutions, foreign development bank, World Bank, etc. For what? For import of plant and machinery. Of course, when we are doing import, so we need to make the payment in the foreign currency only. So it says known as foreign currency term loans. So it has got two names. एक तो external commercial borrowings or foreign currency term loan. ठीक है? Come here. Now see, I have given this already here printed. Now some people, what they do, they take the screenshots of this and that's it. It is in the gallery of your mobile. Then again, if you want to study this on exam day, then what happens is in your gallery you have your own photographs, and you have your family's photographs, and suddenly these photographs. There are many. Where you will find out this particular concept? So no, you need to maintain a book. I am repeating that once again. Now every lecture I am going to repeat, but you need to do that with your own responsibility, right? You need to copy this down. And it will be best if you do this way only, with green, red, blue, highlighters, everything. Okay? This makes the study interesting. It is eye-catchy, right? Rather than just writing black and white. All right. See, it says external commercial borrowings. It is also called as foreign currency term loans, MCQ. MCQ may also remember the short forms, right? External commercial borrowings, ECB. You need to know the full form of the same. What is that? External commercial borrowings. It is from financial institutions, foreign development bank, World Bank. It is not from common people like GDR, FCCBs. These are from people. This borrowing is from institutions, banks. For what? For import of plant and equipments. For import of plant and equipments. All right, now we have borrowed something. That person, that bank in foreign country also requires the interest amount on the same. Won't provide the funds free of cost. They will require interest on the same. Because India, maybe if you take a loan, if you borrow something from the bank demands interest. If you take a home loan, car loan, anything, farming loan, whatever it is. Farm loans, I think that is interest free. Some loans are interest free. Interest is not charged on the same. But other than educational loan, all these loans. So what you need to do is you need to pay the interest to the bank. Likewise, also in foreign country, if you borrow something, borrow funds like these for import of plant and equipments or so, then you need to pay the interest to the institution. Okay, now you are in India, that World Bank or foreign bank that is outside India, you need to make the payments in dollars. So how will you do that? You have to convert the payment into forex. Foreign exchange में उसको convert करके then you need to make the payment. So it says conversion at prevailing forex rates. Forex rates आपको पता होगा तो it keeps on changing. ठीक है? It keeps on changing. If I show you, wait a second. Forex rates. See, Forex Center, USD per INR, or it would be like INR per USD. It is INR per USD. Ulta it is written. Okay, so if you want to buy $1, the price of that would be 79.95, approximately 80 rupees. If suppose you pay 80 rupees to the bank, to the foreign exchange center, they will provide you $1. Likewise, see all these rates. If you want to see book my forex, live forex currency exchange rates, I'll show you. Wait. It's not opening, I think. All right, ऐसा दिखता है वो. Some chart is provided like that. If I tell you prevailing forex rate, for example, rupee per dollar, you write down like this. Forex पता है आपको? Rupee per dollar. How much rupee is required to get $1 is rupees 80. ठीक है, and there it is written like this, USD upon INR. It is called as chupki, something like that. It's ulta return. All right, rupee per dollar. So it will be converted that way. Suppose the interest outside India in foreign currency, foreign bank says we want the interest of say $500. $500 means how much? अभी बैंक has अभी रेट तो चेंज हो सकता है ना, इट कैन बी 79, someday it can be 79.50. So when the day comes when you have to make the payment of interest, so whatever date is prevailing on that date, you need to make the conversion likewise. Suppose today, what is the date today? I think it is 20 July. You need to make the payment of interest. World Bank says we want an interest of $500. Now what you do, and the rate prevailing is 80 rupees. So into 80. कितना होता है conversion देख लो, 40,000. तो इंडिया में कंपनी से कितना आउटफ्लो हो गया? आउटफ्लो ऑफ रुपीज 40,000, and to make the interest payment of 500 to the World Bank or foreign bank, it says conversion at prevailing forex rate. ठीक है, borrowings, repayments and interest, it is tailor made in the view of cash flow position of the project. So it is decided according to company कि how much they can show in their cash flow. According to their own thing, they can show all these things into their cash flow statement. कितना borrow करना है, how much they want to borrow, and how much they can show in cash flow according to the project. It is tailor made. Tailor made means customized. ठीक है, they can borrow customized, कितना amount borrow कर सकते हैं. They can make the repayments accordingly, कितना cash flow में बता सकते हैं. They can make the interest payment likewise. So it is tailor made. Tailor made means customized. Borrowings could be 1 crore, borrowings could be 50 lakhs, borrowings could be 20 lakhs. Some funds they will arrange from their own side. Okay, so it's according to cash flow position of the project. Tailor made means customized according to their cash flow position. So what all things we studied in this particular thing? External commercial borrowings, also known as foreign currency term loans from foreign institutions, foreign development bank, World Bank, for import of plant and equipments. Interest amount payable in foreign currency. Yes, conversion at prevailing foreign exchange, forex rates. Borrowings, repayments, interest tailor made in the view of cash flow position of the project. Cash flow position of the project. Okay. Now examiner would be very happy if you write down this sentence, because all these sentences you will end up writing. Okay, this is important, this is important. If you don't write this, what is the sense of writing the answer for external commercial borrowings? The main important pointer is this is something new. If you have written this pointer, the examiner won't even check the upper part of the answer. What have you written? We'll just check that इतना लिखा है ना, means you have written the whole answer correct. ठीक है, all right, copy down. Up to this portion now, other sources. International sources done. Now other sources. Read. Some sources may be availed by the promoter on casual basis. Casual means बस ऐसे ही, मतलब छोटे मोटे चीजों पे we can avail this. छोटे मोटे इंडिया में अगर कुछ आपने खरीद लिया है, जैसे प्लांट मशीनरी खरीद ली है महंगा 20 लाख 30 लाख का, now company is not able to pay 30 lakh at one go, and what will company say? यार धीरे 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 नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स में इसका पेमेंट करता हूँ. जैसा ईएमआई कैसा काम करता है वैसा. but with larger proportions. Like it is, if suppose the machinery or the plant and equipment is of 30 lakh, then you can make a payment of say 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh per month, that way. So there are three. Some other sources: deferred credit, bills discounting, seed capital assistance. I repeat again: deferred credit, bills discounting, seed capital assistance. Read that once. First, read only deferred credit. It says it provides a credit facility to make the payment over the number of years. मतलब सालों साल इसका पेमेंट कर सके, ऐसा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी. Interest on delayed payment is payable at agreed terms and conditions. If suppose the payment of monthly installment is delayed, then on that installment interest is also payable, and these some of the terms and agreements are agreed into the, जो भी कुछ लिखा होगा agreement on that. Deferred credits. Why will someone provide you 30 lakh का deferred credit opportunity? अगर आप भाग गए तो, suppose some company, fraud company comes, takes the machinery of 30 lakhs and pays 2 installments and then runs away. Fake company. Why will people get into all this then, credit terms and all? No. So they have a written agreement, or agreement mein they put the terms and condition. If suppose monthly installments are delayed, then you need to make the interest payment on such delayed payment. So in short, it is just a credit facility. Make the payment over the years for what? Supplier, I mean plant and equipment. If any plant or machinery or whatever it is you want to purchase, make the payments over the year in installments, and if the installment is delayed, make the payment of interest on such delayed payments at agreed terms and conditions. Okay, deferred credit. Therefore, it is said that it is a on casual basis. I mean casually, कि हाँ भाई इसमें कोई रेगुलेशन वगैरह नहीं है, some law has put here and ऐसा काम करेगा. No, it is just a policy, deferred credit. Some companies, what they do, समझो, I'll explain you. This is the company which wants to purchase the plant. Plant matlab not a tree or something like that. Plant means it is a kind of machinery. Okay, and this is the supplier. Now this supplier is new in the market. This supplier is new in the market. Now there are many suppliers. This company can go to any supplier and get the plant. But you know why this supplier? Why he chose this supplier? Because this supplier is providing the deferred credit policy. Okay? It is a win-win situation for both. For the supplier as well, because the supplier is new. He is selling his machinery and the company is getting a deferred credit policy. I mean, उस पे पेमेंट धीरे धीरे होगा, rather than making the payment in one go. ठीक है, that way. Other thing is bills discounting. मैम क्या है ये? I'll show you. जितना पिक्टोरियल हो सकता है ना तो ज्यादा बेटर. Can you see this? But this is outdated now. आउटडेट हो गया ये, कोई अपना नुकसान नहीं करना चाहता. बिल्स डिस्काउंटिंग प्रोसेस 11th 12th में वी यूज टू हैव अ चैप्टर, होल चैप्टर है ना बिल्स डिस्काउंटिंग पे. तो कैसा होता है देखो, दिस इज अ सेलर, ये है कस्टमर. ठीक है, देयर इज अ सेलर, देयर इज अ कस्टमर. ही हैड मेड अ क्रेडिट सेल ऑफ ₹10,000. कस्टमर के पास में 10,000 रुपीज नहीं है, इट डजंट हैव दिस ₹10,000. फिर अब क्या? This customer says, draw a bill. Seller person, ये जो इंसान है ना, sir, draw a bill on me. तो बिल का नाम दे दिया bills of exchange. That is the chapter's name. तो एक बिल ड्रॉ किया. Now, what this seller will do? Seller वेट करेगा क्या? Now seller need not collect the payment from this customer. This customer is not liable to make the payment to this seller. इसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी ये बिल ड्रॉ कर लिया. This person has made a signature, sign on this bill. this seller has the bill, he will go to bank. He will go to bank. Bank को बोलेगा, sir, I have made a sale of 10,000. Give me 10,000. Bank बोलेगा, भाग यहाँ से. What is my profit? Although you are coming to me that way, मतलब कोई guarantee भी नहीं है. This person is a third party. You are a seller. You are coming to me, है ना, and telling me 10,000 दो. From where? No, I'm not going to give you 10,000. तो सर कितना दोगे? The seller is asking, sir कितना दोगे फिर? How much will you pay me? He says 9,000. Why? Risk. Bank is taking the risk. Suppose this person denies tomorrow, I am not making the payment, I am bankrupt. Who is at loss? Bank is at loss. If suppose directly this person doesn't pay this seller, then the loss is of 10,000 for this seller. But at least he has recovered his 9,000. He has recovered his 9,000 from the bank. Now it's the responsibility of the bank to recover this amount from this customer. Bills discounting is basically an arrangement. Arrangement of what? बीच में का एक रास्ता. मतलब the seller is not at loss, customer is not at loss. But this bank earns this discount rate. देखो, this seller has drawn a bills of exchange, made a sale, drawn a bills of exchange, he had signed. He went to bank. In 2 days only he got the payment of 9,000. Went home. Now this bank is collecting 10,000 from this customer. कुछ तो कमाएगा ना. कमाई कितना किया? 1,000 का. That is what? 10%. 10,000 का 10% is 1,000. So bank का earning क्या है? What is the bank's earning? This 1,000. This is called as discounting. Bills discounting. Did you understand the concept? Come here. Read. Read. In this scheme, a bill is raised by seller of the equipment. Seller, buyer ने एक आधा equipment खरीदा होगा, तो seller ने क्या किया? Bill draw किया, bill raise किया, which is accepted by buyer promoter of the project. ठीक है? He makes a signature on that. The seller realizes the sale proceeds by getting the bill discounted by a commercial bank. All right, that bank is a connecting point, which in turn gets the bills rediscounted by IDBI. Now that bank, he has the bill. He made the payment of 9,000. अगर समझो customer आज payment नहीं करता है तो today the customer is not paying. Come here. This bank has paid the seller 9,000. Now this person is not going to pay today. Bills discounting में it is written like that. 3 months bills discounting. तो 3 महीने बाद ही this bank can go to this customer and ask for money. Not before that. And if suppose before that if the bank requires any fund, then this bank will again go to IDBI. IDBI and again rediscount the same. Rediscount the same means again this 10,000 ka bill, he has paid 9,000 to the seller. Now this IDBI will again say that okay, मैं आपको कितना देता हूँ? मैं आपको दूंगा 8,500. Again 500 का profit किसको है? IDBI को. 9,000 this person has got, 500 IDBI will earn. What is the benefit for IDBI then? IDBI will also earn something ना, इसलिए it says 8,500 पे I'll discount your bill. ठीक है? IDBI का full form Industrial Development Bank of India. The name itself suggests Industrial Development Bank of India. If you want to make the business run smoothly, then all this bank needs to come with some or the other schemes. So one of them is bills discounting. Industrial Development Bank of India. Rather in this example, if you directly connect this as IDBI only. हम इतना लंबा जाते ही नहीं है. This doesn't happen ideally. Directly IDBI or any commercial bank. Commercial bank, which in turn rediscounts this with IDBI, but this happens rarely. This banks manages itself only. Rediscounting का काम कम ही पड़ता है. ठीक है? Read that once again. Bills raised by seller of equipment which is accepted by buyer promoter of the Project seller realizes the sale proceeds by getting the bills discounted by commercial bank, which in turn gets the bill rediscounted by IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. Seed capital assistance. What is this? Seed capital assistance. Read. Read. मैं पहले क्यों बोल रही हूँ आपको रीड? एक बार अगर आप पढ़ लेते हो ना, अगर नहीं भी कुछ समझा, थोड़ा सा समझा, मतलब क्या, अराउंड इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड 20% ऑल्सो, then it's kind of 80% will be understood when I explain. When you read, 20% of the stuff is already understood, maybe more than that. But when I explain again, then the 80% of the stuff is again understood. It's 100% that way. Seed capital assistance. In examination, they can ask you a separate question for 2 marks. Explain the concept of seed capital assistance. Seed capital means, is that a gutli one? Seed means of mango, of tomato. Tomatoes में छोटे छोटे seeds होता है. Those seeds, or papaya में seeds होता है. That seed capital, or the capital for seed, money required for seed. ऐसा होगा? Anything like that? Then what is the meaning of seed capital assistance? Come here. On sticky notes, short sticky notes, you can draw all these things. चिपका दो फिर वहां पे, ठीक है? कंपनी इज रन बाय प्रमोटर्स. कुछ तो प्रमोटर्स भी करेंगे ना, कंपनी का बेनिफिट अगर चाहते हैं तो कुछ तो प्रमोटर्स भी करेंगे ना. तो कंपनी बोलती है प्रमोटर्स लोग एक काम करो, कंपनी को तो बहुत पैसा लगने वाला है यार. इफ सपोज कंपनी will require a fund of 50 CR, they will arrange the fund, but some fund should be arranged by promoters, जिसको बोलेंगे seed capital assistance. at least 1 CR, चलो 1 नहीं, थोड़ा सा और ज्यादा कर सकते हो कंट्रीब्यूट, तो 2 3 CR. सपोज देयर आर 3 promoters, ठीक है? This promoter will give 3 CR, this will give 3 CR, this will give 4 CR. Inclusion तीनों का मिला के it is already 10 CR. Now to arrange the funds from outside is 40 CR. We will have a little of debt plus equity, some loan, some borrowings from outside financial institutions, that way. And if we want to have a plant or machinery which should be imported from outside, then we need to look upon that, and that is also called as some borrowings or like that. ठीक है? The other things are debt and equity. You will finance like that. But seed capital is this. थोड़ा 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 should be contributed by whom? By promoters. अगर promoters के पास पैसा नहीं है, these people tell हमारे पास तो पैसा नहीं है, then the other banks, other institutions will help them. This promoter will say मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, he will go to this institution and get the money. He will go to this institution and get the money. He will go to this institution and get the money. And if suppose this person has the money, then he will say okay मेरे पास पैसा है, मैं तो directly दे देता हूँ. I'll pay the direct fund directly to the company. But these 2 people don't have it. इनके पास नहीं है. They will go to institution and get help. Now, read here. At the time of availing loan from financial institutions, promoters have to contribute seed capital in the project. This is very important. Add one more sentence. At the time of availing loan from financial institution, promoters have to contribute seed capital in the project. Company want to launch some project. Will 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 want to launch some project. which will require a funding of say 20 CR. ना 20 CR का खुद के पास पैसा नहीं है, कंपनी doesn't has this fund. They will take a loan from some financial institution. So what that financial institution says, promoters, please contribute some seed capital. We will have some backup then कि हाँ तुम अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे क्योंकि तुम्हारा भी पैसा ये प्रोजेक्ट में लगा है. The providers of this loan, that is financial institution, will have a faith that whatever this company is launching for this 20 CR, we are not going to provide all the 20 CR, 10 CR. एक काम करो promoters, you make the contribution as a seed capital and the other 10 crores we will provide you. 10 crores from here and these 10 crores from this financial institution. So therefore they are telling, at the time of availing loan from financial institution, the promoters have to contribute seed capital in the project. In case promoters do not have seed capital, if they don't have the same, they can procure the seed capital from seed capital assistance scheme. कहां से पैसा ला सकते हैं? Seed capital assistance scheme. There are two schemes. एक है risk capital foundation scheme. The other is seed capital assistance scheme. In risk capital you can कितना फंड ले सकते हो? Up to 40 lakhs. And in seed capital 15 lakh. Now there are two institutions which provide the finance. In risk capital foundation scheme, the scheme is protected by IFCI to provide seed capital up to 40 lakhs to the promoters. IFCI का full form is Industrial Finance Corporation of India. Industrial Finance. ज्यादा करके ऐसे ही लोगों को फाइनेंस करते हैं. And these are protected by this. I mean promoted by the same IFCI. Scheme promoted by IFCI to provide seed capital up to 40 lakh to the promoters. If promoters don't have their own fund to invest as a seed capital, then this IFCI will say, ठीक है आप नहीं लगा सकते, हमारे पास में आ जाओ, हम 40 लाख तक का आपको क्या दे देंगे? कवर दे देंगे, मतलब उतना आपको फंड हम प्रोवाइड कर देंगे. सीड कैपिटल में अंडर दिस स्कीम सीड कैपिटल फॉर स्मॉलर प्रोजेक्ट्स. क्या? स्मॉलर प्रोजेक्ट्स इज प्रोवाइडेड अप टू 15 lakhs बाय IDBI. ऊपर रिस्क कैपिटल इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय IFCI, फुल फॉर्म इज इंडस्ट्रियल फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, and seed capital assistance for smaller projects is 15 lakhs which is promoted by IDBI. The full form is Industrial Development Bank of India. ऊपर it is Industrial Finance Corporation, नीचे it is Industrial Development Bank of India. That's it. Seed capital to be provided by the promoters. If promoters do not have the fund, they will get the same from two schemes, and the schemes name is Seed Capital Assistance Scheme. Those are two: Risk Capital Foundation Scheme and Seed Capital Foundation Scheme. Risk में it is provided up to 40 lakh, and in Seed Capital Assistance is provided up to 15 lakh. By whom? This is by IFCI and this is by IDBI. Full form also I have written here. This can be a MCQ question. They can ask you this limit. They can ask you this bank. They can ask you the seed capital assistance schemes, two names. So MCQ pattern. Okay? And individually if this question comes, this will for 2 marks, 2 to 3 marks. Okay? All right. Done with the same? Now, short-term finances, sources of finance and working capital margin. पहले तो इधर आ जाओ and ये देख लो. Deferred credit, bills discounting, seed capital assistance, risk capital scheme 40 lakhs by IFCI, seed capital assistance of 15 lakhs by IDBI. ठीक है? This is for small projects. बिल्स डिस्काउंटिंग में ड्रॉप दिस डायग्राम, जैसा भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, ड्रॉ इट लाइक दिस. सेलर, customer, bank. Draw like this. Draw the arrows, but draw neatly. Okay. Bills discounting में you drop this. And seed capital assistance में already I have written. Draw the diagram. Deferred credit means what? Make the payment in several years. Forward plant or machinery or something like that अगर आप locally purchase करते हैं तो ठीक है. Short term sources of finance. First one is trade credit, means trade credit. This is you और me, ठीक है. और ये है वेंडर जिससे हम परचेज करते हैं, सेलर मान लो. और हमने कुछ परचेज किया है. वी हैव परचेज द से रॉ मटेरियल. नाउ वी डोंट हैव द पेमेंट. नाउ कुछ तो रिटर्न में देना पड़ेगा ना. वी डोंट हैव पेमेंट. वी आर यूजिंग दिस ट्रेड क्रेडिट. So it says firms not required to pay immediately. We are not paying immediately. Purchaser has debt outstanding. Who is the purchaser here? This person. इसके लिए ये debt हो गया. That's the debt only ना. He has to make the payment. ये कौन बन गया? ये creditor बन गया. ये कौन बन गया? सामने वाला person creditor बन गया. We have to make the payment, and anything at any point of time, if you have to make the payment and we have not, and that is called as debt for us. This will be in our liability side of our balance sheet. So this is the debt. It says for purchaser has debt outstanding. Balance sheet as creditors. So balance sheet में whenever we are putting the things at liability and these assets. Here we put this as creditor. कितने के लिए? Whatever amount. Because this is our creditor, we have to make the payment to this person. Volume of purchase, payment timings matter. देखो, this vendor, suppose you are a new person and you go there and tell कि raw material चाहिए for 2 lakhs and give me the trade period. मतलब give me this trade credit period. I won't make the payment now. I'll make the payment later on. This vendor will tell नहीं आपका कुछ मुझे पता नहीं है ना, contact नहीं है, कुछ पता नहीं है. How can I believe you? Now for everything you cannot make the agreement है ना. Every bit purchaser you get, you do not involve into getting the agreements done. ठीक है. So he says नहीं we don't provide the credit facilities. Now suppose the other person comes, he is a contact person. Now that person also has made a purchase of say 3 lakhs. So this vendor tells him, okay, take the thing on trade credit. Why he told that? Because trust. Now another vendor comes. एक और कोई आया purchase करने के लिए, एक और कोई आया. He tells that 15 lakh का thing I have to purchase. Okay, 15 lakh. Volume matters. 15 lakh का business मिल रहा है यार. He'll say ठीक है. I'll write down your name in the copy. Please sign here. Across this 15 lakh. And what is the down payment you are making? He says that 4 lakh ka down payment I am making you. The other payment I will make in installments. I am not going to pay immediately. So he is using what? Trade credit. It says volume of purchase matters. Payment timings. कब तक payment करेगा? 1 महीना, 2 महीना, 15 days, 10 days. It matters. Small and new firms use this. Small and new firms use this because they don't have other sources of funds. If they want to borrow from bank, then bank won't trust them. If they want to borrow from financial institution, they won't trust them. They say okay ठीक है, हम debt निकालेंगे, हम debentures निकालेंगे हमारा. Who will invest? है ना? Tomorrow, if suppose I make a company and say that purchase the debentures of my company, will you? No. If I open a company and say you that please purchase the equity shares of my company, will you? No. Why? Trust issues. Company कैसा perform करेगी? Of course. So I don't have other sources of raising the fund. Because other sources will require get back to the regulations. Will have some sort of regulation for me. Suppose if I take the loan from bank, if I take the loan from financial institution, I have some regulation, I have some binding. But for these, I don't have the binding. I can make the contact to any vendor, go there, talk to him, make some references. Suppose this is a new person. Wait a second. Pen is discharged. Okay. Now this is the new person. But the friend of his. ये है friend. किसका? इसका. This friend is very well known to this vendor. इनका connection है. Now this friend will call this vendor and tell कि भाई ये मेरे पहचान का आदमी है. Please provide him some credit facility. तो बोलता है ठीक है. Okay. Got the financial assistance. आज पेमेंट नहीं करना है. धीरे 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 पेमेंट करेंगे. He can do the business at least. आज पेमेंट नहीं किया बट स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद द बिजनेस. जैसा जैसा प्रॉफिट कमाएगा, सेल करेगा, जैसा जैसा पैसा रियलाइज हो जाएगा वैसा वैसा वेंडर का पेमेंट भी कर देगा. तो इट सेज स्मॉल एंड न्यू फर्म्स यूज दिस. डिफिकल्ट टू ऑब्टेन फंड्स फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेस, है ना. अदर सोर्सेस आर नॉट फीजिबल. डिबेंचर्स, प्रेफरेंस, बोरोइंग्स, एक्सटर्नल कमर्शियल बोरोइंग्स, इंटरनेशनल तो छोड़ ही दो. जब तक का 3 साल का गुड ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड आप नहीं बनाते, वी हैव रेड दिस, है ना. इंटरनेशनल फंडिंग कब मिलेगा? व्हेन यू हैव अ 3 years ऑफ गुड ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड, देन ओनली यू कैन गेट द फंडिंग फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल मार्केट. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द वेरी फीजिबल थिंग फॉर स्मॉल ट्रेडर्स. ठीक है. ट्रेड क्रेडिट, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? शॉर्ट टर्म सोर्सेस ऑफ फाइनेंस. Usually this makes the payments into a month, 2 month, or 15 days likewise. और शॉर्ट टर्म में विद इन 1 year हो सकता है. मेक द पेमेंट विद इन 1 year. बट दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रेड क्रेडिट एंड ऑल, दिस इज फॉर 1-2 months, 15 days दैट वे. ठीक है. देन कम हियर एक्रूड एक्सपेंसेस. एक्रूड एक्सपेंसेस ये आपको पता होगा, राइट? यू हैव स्टडीड बैलेंस शीट एंड ऑल. P&L account, balance sheet. You have studied accrued expense. Some payments are done at the end of the period. We don't make the payment now, but we reflect the same into P&L account plus liability side of our balance sheet. Accrued expenses. Likewise accrued incomes भी होते हैं. Interest income, insurance का नहीं, commission, interest income, commission incomes, those are accrued incomes. These are accrued expenses. It says most of the services paid at the end of the period. We do not make the payment in between, like electricity bill, rent. We are making the payment at the end of the period, but those are expense. Suppose every month you incur expense but you're not paying now. You will be paying them at the end of the year, है ना. पूरे साल का आप एक साथ ही भरोगे. It is some kind of interest free source of finance. Interest free source of finance. उस पे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं चार्ज होगा. सपोज सम एम्प्लॉय कम्स टू यू एंड सेज कि सर वेजेस भरना है. एक काम करो ना, साल का पूरा एक साथ ही ले लेना. विल दैट लेबर से दैट आपने सर वो एक साल हर महीने का साथ में पे नहीं किया, इंटरेस्ट भी भर दो? नो. विल से ठीक है. एक्रूड एक्सपेंस. रेंट वाला पर्सन वांट्स से कि इंटरेस्ट भरो, महीने का भरा नहीं एक साथ, अभी इंटरेस्ट भरो. नो. 2-3 महीने का रेंट अगर आप एक साथ भर देते हो तो बढ़िया. नहीं भी भरते हो तो हर महीना इंस्टॉलमेंट में उतना. 3 महीने का 6,000 और हर महीने का 2,000. सेम ही पड़ा ना. दैट वे इंटरेस्ट फ्री सोर्स ऑफ फाइनेंस. And one more interesting thing, it says save liquidity by incurring this expense. Save liquidity means what? I'm not making the payment today. I've saved that much of amount today. I am making the payment at the end of the period. Till then, I have that much of liquidity with me. That's what it is. They are telling liquidity. Then come here, commercial papers. Commercial papers. What does it say? Raise fund for short term. कितना टाइम पीरियड हो सकता है? Few days to few months. Few days to few months. 5 days का कमर्शियल हो सकता है पेपर, 15 days का हो सकता है, 1 month का हो सकता है, 2 months का, 3 months का, कितने भी टाइम का कमर्शियल पेपर हो सकता है, बट द टाइम पीरियड इज few days to few months and maturity between 15 days to 1 year, not 5 days. 5 days का नहीं होगा, minimum 15 days, maximum 1 year. Maturity between 15 days to 1 year. Generally purchased by commercial banks, money market mutual funds and other financial institution. Now very important, these are not done by this local जो भी business करते हैं वो नहीं. Who will purchase them? Commercial papers are purchased by these commercial banks, money market mutual fund and other financial institution. Make sure you understand this. Those are unsecured. Those are not secured. Commercial papers are not secured कि हाँ पैसा मिलेगा ही वापस. ठीक है? These are unsecured. Firm with good credit rating can only issue commercial papers. Do you get this? Why they have told this? Because these funds are what? Unsecured. The firms which had the good credit rating, मतलब जो कंपनी अच्छी है, अच्छी परफॉर्म करती है, जिनका नाम है मार्केट में, वैसे ही कंपनी ने कमर्शियल पेपर इश्यू करना चाहिए. एंड ये कमर्शियल पेपर कौन परचेस करता है? नॉट कॉमन पीपल. कॉमन पीपल डू नॉट परचेस देम. दे विल बी परचेस्ड बाय कमर्शियल बैंक्स, मनी मार्केट एंड अदर फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन. इट इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. कंपनी, they have rolled out commercial papers. ठीक है? Like equity is subscribed by common people. Debentures is subscribed by common people. If we talk about ADR, GDR, these are subscribed by foreigners, but those are people only. Okay, so there involves these people. It says commercial papers won't be subscribed by these people. No, these are purchased by commercial banks, money market mutual funds, financial institutions. ठीक है? But these are unsecured. These commercial banks are at risk. This financial institution is at risk. Why? Because these are unsecured. Suppose this company tomorrow is ऐसी कंपनी हो गई कि it has not made any profits and gone wind up. फिर what? This is unsecured. What do this bank do now? डूब गया पैसा. Risk involved है. Therefore the time period is between 15 days to 1 year only. Do you get the point? You cannot say that कि चलो ठीक है कमर्शियल पेपर निकाल दिया, बैंक से पैसा ले लिया, अभी नहीं भी दिया तो चलता. नो, यू हैव टू मेक द पेमेंट विद इन 1 year. इसके ऊपर का मैच्योरिटी पीरियड नहीं हो सकता. सपोज यू से दैट मुझे 6 years के लिए पैसा चाहिए, 7 years के लिए चाहिए. नो, नॉट अलाउड. विद इन 1 year you have to make the payment. If not, then these people will only stop to purchase your company's commercial papers. These banks, financial institution will purchase the commercial papers of only those companies who has a good track record, good credit rating. And this company is not having the good credit rating, then this commercial, these people will not purchase the commercial paper. Why? Because it is unsecured. भाई कौन अपने खुद के लिए कुआं खोदेगा मौत का, है ना? Who will die just like that when you see the big dig into, सामने ही दिख रहा है. You see the dig in front of you and you are into that. No. Why will this banks and financial institution will invest in this company then? No. It says जिसका credit rating अच्छा रहेगा क्रेडिट रेटिंग जिसका जो कंपनी का गुड रहेगा वही कंपनी का कमर्शियल पेपर्स वुड बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर दीज बैंक्स, म्यूचुअल फंड्स एंड फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस. रीड दैट once again. Generally purchased by commercial banks, money market mutual fund and other financial institutions. These are unsecured and therefore the company with good credit rating should issue commercial papers. Advantages: cost involved is lower than prime lending rates. ठीक है. These are purchased by whom? Purchased by banks, right? Normally you go to bank will say 8%, 9% rate of interest. Say sir commercial paper issue कर रहे हैं ना, he'll say okay 4% of interest. Now there is a difference. Normally if you go it is 8%, 9%. And if suppose with commercial paper you go, you say that company का commercial paper आपको दे रहे हैं bank, please provide us the fund across this commercial paper. So bank will say चलो ठीक है, this is a good company, you know, going to have a good track record, you know, in coming years. So therefore okay, take the funding at the rate of 4% or so. Okay, so it says the advantages: cost involved is lower than prime lending rates. ठीक है. Placement fees means what? Anyone who is arranging for this sale. Commercial papers ऐसा ही नहीं बिकेगा. Someone will be there. यहाँ पे someone, any middle person would be there who will say this commercial bank or financial institution कि this company has a good credit rating, sir, you can go ahead and purchase the same. Now this person will take his placement fees for arranging this sale. ठीक है. Okay, we are studying here. Placement fees, who arranges for the sale. Conditions क्या क्या है? Because this is unsecured. What are the conditions? The conditions are multiples of 5 लाख. 5 लाख से ऊपर का आप कमर्शियल पेपर मत निकालो. मिनिमम पीरियड इज 15 days to 1 year. मिनिमम 15 दिन का, मैक्सिमम 1 साल का. 1 साल से ऊपर का फंडिंग चाहिए. डू नॉट गो फॉर कमर्शियल पेपर्स, गो फॉर एनी अदर फंडिंग. Net worth of the company should be 4 CR plus, more than 4 crores. If the net worth of the company is say 3.5 crore or 3 crore, that company cannot issue commercial papers. देखो unsecured है. And who are the purchaser of this commercial papers? Bank, financial institution, money market, mutual fund. Why will they take so much of risk? They have some conditions. If you have a net worth of 4 crore, then you know commercial papers में हम लोग invest करें. Who are the investors of these commercial papers? Investors are banks, financial institution. They won't take risk until and unless you fulfill these conditions. Net worth more than 4 CR. Cannot be redeemed before maturity, cannot be extended even. You cannot redeem the same before maturity. That is, you know, अगर आपको 5 दिन में पैसा चाहिए तो आप बोलोगे कि redeem करो. No, that cannot be done. It cannot be extended even. 1 year means 1 year. 15 days to 1 year. And credit rating should be like this: P2, A2. ये सारा साइट्स पे काम करता है. I'll show you. CRISIL. I'll show you it. CRISIL ratings. Rating list and scales. Just wait a second now. It's loading. Sorry. अरे यार, again it's not visible. See this. Company name 20 Microns Limited, Chemical and Bulk Polymers Industry. Instrument is short-term bank facility. Rating CRISIL A2. And then outlook is stable. Then again, can you look this? Look at this. ये देखो, A minus, A2 plus, A minus, B minus. CRISIL D. CRISIL B, issuer not cooperating. See, ऐसा credit rating है. Now, seeing this credit rating, which bank will provide you the funding? So therefore they say that इसके लिए credit ratings proper चाहिए. Credit rating this, P2 of CRISIL, A2 of ICRA. All these conditions need to be fulfilled. Therefore, then only you can issue the commercial papers, and which will be subscribed by whom? Subscribed by these people. Commercial banks, money market mutual fund, and financial institution. These are not by common people like equity, preference, debentures, ADRs, GDRs. Those are subscribed by people. This is not by people. This is by commercial banks, money market mutual fund, and other financial institution. क्या क्या conditions बोलिए? Please repeat the things again. There is a regulation for this. Multiples of 5 lakhs, minimum 15 days, maximum 1 year, net worth 4 crores, more than 4 crores, cannot be redeemed before maturity, cannot be extended even. Credit rating should be P2 as per CRISIL and A2 as per ICRA. You can read all this stuff from your mat. ठीक है, मैं हाईलाइट कर दूंगी, बट अभी के लिए तो देख लो, ये सब है. I have made the notes from your mat only. Intercorporate deposits, interesting. बोलो, what is this intercorporate deposits? What is the meaning of intercorporate? Interstate, intrastate मालूम है क्या? वो IDT में पढ़ते हैं. देखो, intrastate means within the state, interstate means out of the state. So intercorporate means खुद के कंपनी से बाहर. मतलब there are two companies. My company requires the funding and the other company has the excess funds, excess liquidity. मैं क्या करूंगी? I'll say him, चल ठीक है, तेरे पास पैसा है ना, give me the money for some time. थोड़े टाइम पीरियड के लिए give me the intercorporate deposit. That would be as a loan. Borrow funds for 6 months from companies which has surplus liquidity. Any company which is having a surplus liquidity will provide this kind of funding. On top of that, this is not just like that कि आज कोई नया कंपनी आ गया and will say the other company please provide me the funding. No, this requires a personal contact, any kind of contact. अच्छा personal contact भी चाहिए, और जैसा भी contact हो पाए. See, the entire working of ICDs varies depending upon personal connections of lenders, borrowers, financiers. So you can arrange this kind of funding, ICDs. And this is not having any regulation, not any conditions. जैसे commercial papers के case में they have given some regulation, some conditions, है ना? And this is unsecured. This part is also unsecured. Where are the conditions? Where is the regulation? Regulation कहाँ है? There is no regulation. Does not have legal hassles means what? Does not have legal hassles means what? जैसे ये अगर ये सब फॉलो नहीं किया, say your net worth is not 4 CR, you cannot issue commercial papers. Still you issue your that is not legal. These ratings are compulsory. That this is not done, that is not legal if you still issue the commercial papers. But for this there is no regulation, no such regulation, and therefore it does not have any legal hassles as well. These are basically dependent on some company की ठीक है मुझे पैसा देना है कि नहीं देना है, and also it is unsecured. No regulation, वही तो बताया. Not for long term. Why will any company provide the funding for very long term for any other company? दो कंपनीज है, एक कंपनी को फंड जरूरी है, दूसरे कंपनी के पास थोड़ा बहुत लिक्विडिटी है, पैसा पड़ा है, तो ये कंपनी दूसरे कंपनी को पैसा दे देती है. टेक द मनी, डू द बिजनेस, whenever the money is back, pay me again, pay me back. That is not for long term. Rate of interest varies. ठीक है, anyone will not provide you the funding without interest, without gain. So interest element तो हर जगह आएगा if the same is taking a flavor of debt or borrowing. ठीक है, and this entirely depends upon the personal connections of lenders, borrowers and financiers. Connections, contacts रहेंगे तो you can get the funding easily. Now understand with the example of this diagram. All right. This is one company. These are the two companies. Company A, company B. ठीक है. Now this company A wants some money. इसके बाद में थोड़ा सा लिक्विडिटी है, liquidity of funds, may provide the lending for say 2 months. 2 महीने के लिए किसी को पैसा अगर लगता है कोई कंपनी को, they can provide. So what this company B does, company A does is goes to B and tells, sir, I require some funding. Do you have the same? Company B says yes. 2 months का liquidity I have. 2 months liquidity I have. So you can take the funding. But after 2 months, I will require my funding back. Some companies may have 6 months, 8 months, 7 months, but not for longer period. This is for short term. This is not for long term. Not for long term. And this is unsecured. Unsecured. And it does not have regulation. Does not have any regulation. जैसे कमर्शियल पेपर्स में दे हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कंडीशंस, वैसे कोई रेगुलेशन यहां पर इस टाइप ऑफ आईसीडीज में नहीं है. आईसीडीज, इंटर कॉर्पोरेट डिपॉजिट्स. ठीक है. दिस काइंड ऑफ फंडिंग इज वेरी मच favored when you have the personal connections. Personal communication, good personal connections. Do you get my point? Unsecured means suppose this company A tells tomorrow उठ के कि चलो ठीक है अभी तो हमारा कंपनी पूरा डूब गया, पैसा नहीं है, अब क्या करेंगे? कुछ नहीं कर सकती कंपनी B, can do nothing. ठीक है. But there is one thing that this is not for long term. You cannot provide this kind of intercorporate deposit for many years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Maybe 6 months to 1 year. That's it. Here we have taken an example of 2 months. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पैसा डूबा भी तो कितना, उतना 7-8 महीने तक का जितना हमारा लिक्विडिटी का पैसा था, उतना मतलब जितना हमारे कंपनी में कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस रहता था उतना हमने प्रोवाइड कर दिया. किसको? कंपनी ए को. एंड कंपनी ए इज वाइंड अप हो गई. दैट मनी इज गॉन देन बिकॉज दिस फंडिंग इज ऑफ अनसिक्योर्ड थिंग. ठीक है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? यस मैम. कम टू दिस नाउ. शॉर्ट टर्म अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स. देयर आर लॉन्ग टर्म फंडिंग है ना. डिबेंचर्स लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए भी होते हैं. दिस इज शॉर्ट टर्म अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स. माइंड मी ओनली द टाइम पीरियड यू कैलकुलेट. दिस कैन बी एन एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन. डिबेंचर्स तो यू नो ना व्हाट आर डिबेंचर्स. देयरफॉर दिस 17 months to 29 days, मतलब 30 दिन का भी आप डिबेंचर इशू कर सकते हो. व्हाट? अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स. एंड दिस विल बी सब्सक्राइब बाय कॉमन पीपल. अगेन दिस काइंड ऑफ फंडिंग इज फॉर हाईली गुड कंपनी, मतलब जैसे जिसका क्रेडिट रेटिंग अच्छा है. इंस्टॉल्ड कंपनीज कैन इशू दिस. नीचे दिया भी होगा, ये देखो. न्यू कंपनीज आर नॉट बीन फेवर्ड बाय इन्वेस्टर्स. व्हाई विल इन्वेस्टर्स इन्वेस्ट? व्हाई विल कॉमन पब्लिक इन्वेस्ट इन सच काइंड ऑफ अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स? वो भी अनसिक्योर्ड है, शॉर्ट टर्म है लेकिन अनसिक्योर्ड है. समझो मैंने 2 महीना का ये डिबेंचर्स निकाला. दीज आर अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स. व्हाई विल दीज पीपल कम टू मी? एंड ऑल्दो दीज आर नॉट ये रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स है. रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स मीन्स दीज आर इंडिविजुअल इन्वेस्टर्स. एक साथ पैसा आएगा क्या? नहीं, एक साथ नहीं आएगा. आज ये 2 ने अप्लाई किया, टुमारो दिस 2 पीपल विल अप्लाई, डे आफ्टर टुमारो दिस पीपल विल अप्लाई. लमसम इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं आता, तो देयरफॉर थोड़ा दुखी हो जाते हैं. We are sad. Lump sum amount is not received, and this is a time-consuming process. ठीक है. well established company will issue this kind of short term unsecured debentures. Rate of interest is higher than rate of secured long term debentures. Of course, if you get anything secured, you are always ready to pay for that. कुछ भी चीज अगर आपको अगर आज बोल दिया वहां पे गारंटी है कि 2 महीना बाद पैसा डबल, गारंटी, इफ समवन इज प्रोवाइडिंग गारंटी देन आप आंख बंद करके पैसा दे दोगे. बट सपोज देर इज एन अनसिक्योर्ड थिंग, मतलब कुछ तो डाउटफुल है, रिस्क, अनसिक्योर्ड में ऑलवेज द रिस्क इज इन्वॉल्व एंड वेर एवर द रिस्क इज हायर द रेट ऑफ रिटर्न शुड बी हायर. तो जो इन्वेस्टर्स रहेंगे, इन्वेस्टर्स ऑफ द शॉर्ट टर्म अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स शुड गेट हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट देन सिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स. Secured long term debenture, first of all they are providing the funding for short term, मतलब तुरंत अगर funds required है तो they are providing the short term finance. Also unsecured है which is very much risky, and if there is risk involved there should be higher return as well, higher interest. Credit ratings not required. Why? Credit ratings का एक condition है if the maturity is more than 18 months or more. ठीक है, मैच्योरिटी इज 18 मंथ्स मोर रहा तो ही क्रेडिट रेटिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. आप बोलोगे कि मैम क्रेडिट रेटिंग जैसा कमर्शियल पेपर्स में है वैसा नहीं, नहीं, कमर्शियल पेपर्स का टाइम पीरियड ज्यादा भी हो सकता है, बट इस केस में इट्स 17 मंथ्स टू 29 डेज ओनली. 1 महीना 2 महीना 3 महीना टिल 17 मंथ्स इट कैन बी डन, बट नॉट मोर देन 18 मंथ्स. इफ मोर देन 18 मंथ्स रहता तो क्रेडिट रेटिंग्स वेर रिक्वायर्ड. Credit rating not required because maturity period is less than 18 months. ठीक है, it is not more than 18 periods or 18 months or more. ये देखो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं, only established firms can issue these debentures. I already have spoken about this. New companies are not favored because it is a short term finance, that too unsecured. Who will give you money? No people will give you the same. And this is a retail investors, matlab if suppose an established firm also want to raise this fund, they have to raise from people and they are not going to provide you one time lump sum, है ना. These 2 people subscribing today, tomorrow these 2 people, day after tomorrow 3 people, time consuming process. ठीक है, this is short term unsecured debentures. Bank credit, okay, this to homework now. Bank credit, venture capital. Venture capital में I'll just tell you this is for risky projects. हम बोलते हैं ना which venture you are opening, we are opening with that venture project, है ना, project C venture capital. venture capital आपने ये भी पढ़ा होगा, अकाउंट्स में भी पढ़ा होगा. venture capital पूरा अकाउंट्स बनता है उसका, सेपरेट अकाउंट्स. ठीक है, high rewarding too. It has got high risky projects, but these projects are risky but rewarding also. They will get the profit also in lakhs. बाकी सारा बाद में देखेंगे. These are the condition and can be asked for MCQ pattern, है ना. ये सारा जो होता है MCQ में पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये क्या बोल दिया इन्होंने, इक्विटी 49% ऑफ टोटल इक्विटी. 100% होता है. 100% हम लोगों से नहीं लेते. 100% is not from people. 49% of the equity is given by the entrepreneur himself, so that the control remains with the entrepreneur. ठीक है, बैंक क्रेडिट, बैंक क्रेडिट name itself suggests bank will give you some credit. homework, ये और ये दोनों आपको पढ़ के आना है. PDF is already shared. Come here, I'll just read out all the points we have studied here. Trade credit, firm buys the goods from another, it may not be required to pay for this goods immediately. During this period before the payment becomes due, purchaser has a debt outstanding, right? I have to pay, therefore I am the purchaser. If I am the purchaser, then I have to make payment and that is due, then I am the what? I have debt outstanding. I will write down that towards the liability to the supplier. Debt is recorded in the buyer's balance sheet as creditors, right? मैं अपने balance sheet में क्या mention करूंगी? लाइबिलिटी साइड पे क्रेडिटर्स के नाम से। द करस्पॉन्डिंग अकाउंट ऑफ सप्लायर इज दैट ऑफ डेटर। सप्लायर के अकाउंट में हमारा अकाउंट क्या होगा? डेबिट। इफ सपोज आई एम परचेसिंग समथिंग एंड not paying, I am at liability side. I will mention this person as creditor. I will mention this person as creditor, and this person will mention me as debtor. He has to receive the money. I have to pay the money. Receive जहां पे होगा तो I am the debtor for that person, and यहाँ पे मुझे पे करना है इस person का, तो I'll mention him as the creditor in the liability side of my balance sheet. The amount of such financing depends on the volume of purchase, payment timing. Small and new firms are usually more dependent on this kind of trade credit. They find it difficult to obtain funds from any other source. Trade credit may take a form of open accounts or bills payable. Bills payable means creditors. ठीक है, all these points are covered there हमारे चार्ट में. Yes. Accrued expense पढ़ लो ये. Outstanding expense, liabilities. Services may be availed by the firm, but the payment of which has not been yet made. They are paid only at the end of the period, and it is an interest-free source of finance. ठीक है? Save the liquidity by accruing these expenses. Commercial papers, unsecured promissory note issued by firm to raise funds, varying from few days to few months. इसका पीरियड क्या होता है? 15 days to 1 year. It is money market instrument and generally purchased by commercial banks, money market mutual funds and other financial institution. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? money market instrument. And they to invest their funds for a shorter period. As commercial papers are unsecured, the firms having good credit rating can only issue CPs. The interest cost of CP depends upon the amount involved, maturity period and prime lending rates of commercial banks. ठीक है, commercial banks कितने रेट पे इंटरेस्ट रेट पे पैसा रेज करती है उस पे डिपेंड करता है ये सब, अमाउंट इन्वॉल्व, मैच्योरिटी पीरियड एंड लेंडिंग रेट्स ऑफ कमर्शियल बैंक. The main advantage of CP is that the cost involved is lower than that of prime lending rates. In addition to this cost, the borrowing firm has to bear other costs in the form of placement fees payable to dealer of the CP who arranges the sale. All these points are covered in our chart. Yes. Issue of commercial papers in India, there are certain regulations for this because this is an unsecured borrowing. It says CP in the multiple of 5 lakhs, minimum duration 15 days, maximum 12 months, net worth of the company more than 4 crores. CP can neither be redeemed before maturity nor can be extended above maturity. Credit rating P2 from CRISIL and A2 from ICRA. ठीक है. Intercorporate deposits, ICDs, borrow funds from short period, says up to 6 months, from other companies which have surplus liquidity. All this question can be MCQ pattern question as well. They can ask you this in a sentence, the form of finance which provides finance to the company which has surplus liquidity for time being. कौन सा पैसा फाइनेंस है? कौन सा है? ICDs, called as intercorporate deposits. ICDs are generally unsecured, arranged by the financier. ICDs are very common and popular in practice, not marred by legal hassles. There are not any legal hassles. The convenience is of the basic virtue of method of financing. There are no regulations. These are not covered by section this of the Companies Act, as ICDs are not long term. These are short term only. ये कोई section है, इससे regulation मिलती नहीं है इसको. There is no regulation at all. ठीक है? These are generally not disclosed as borrowing under the ICDs. Imply a liquidity shortage of borrower. Liquidity shortage of borrower. ये बताते ही नहीं है हम. ये कहीं पे शो ही नहीं होता है. These are not disclosed as borrowing under ICDs. It may imply liquidity shortage of borrower. Borrower का credit rating खराब हो सकता है कि भाई इतना इसको क्या जरूरत पड़ गई कि दूसरे कंपनी से फंडिंग ले रहा है, तो अदर कंपनी हैज टू प्रोवाइड हिम द लिक्विड फंडिंग. इसका लिक्विडिटी भी इतना अच्छा नहीं है, शॉर्टेज ऑफ लिक्विडिटी है ना. तो हु विल बिलीव दिस कंपनी देन? The rate of interest on ICDs varies between the amount involved and the time period. ठीक है? The entire working of ICDs market is based upon personal connections of lenders, borrowers and financiers. ठीक है? Short term unsecured debentures, issue of unsecured debentures for period up to 17 months to 29 days. The interest on these debentures may be higher than rate of interest of secured long term debentures. It may be noted that no credit rating is required for this kind of issue, because as per SEBI guidelines, credit ratings required for the debentures having a maturity period of 18 months or more. The use of unsecured debentures as a source of short term financing, however, depends upon the state of capital market. ये यूज करना कि नहीं, देखो एक तो शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए varies between 29 days to what 17 months. तो शॉर्टर पीरियड के लिए ये रेस करना कि नहीं करना इज अ क्वेश्चन. Say see use of unsecured debentures as a source of short term financing, however, depends upon the state of capital market in the economy. During the sluggish period, the companies may not be in a position to issue these debentures. मतलब क्या? Suppose today the debentures are issued, ठीक है? After a month, these are to be redeemed. मतलब you require a funding also. Today you receive the money, but after 30 days or say 2 months, you need to pay them back. Again, you need to have the funds with you to pay them back. So it says it may not be in a position to issue these debentures. Moreover, only established firms can issue this kind of debentures, as new company will not find favor from the investors. New company के पास तो कोई आएगा ही नहीं भाई. एक तो है अनसिक्योर्ड, दूसरा है क्या शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड के लिए. ये लोग बोलेंगे हमको इतनी कोई जरूरत नहीं है पैसे की, अच्छे कंपनी में लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. दे वॉन्ट इन्वेस्ट फॉर शॉर्टर पीरियड, बट और दूसरा क्या है अनसिक्योर्ड है, ऑल्दो द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज हाई. हु विल इन्वेस्ट इनटू दिस काइंड ऑफ कंपनीज देन? Therefore, they say that established company only come with this kind of funding. I mean, this kind of unsecured debentures for shorter period, and also the people who are risk averse, मतलब क्या risk जो ले सकते हैं, who can take the risk, will invest in such kind of debentures. Another drawback of this source is that the company procures funds from retail investor instead of getting the lump sum from one source only. These are from retail investors. मतलब what? These are from people. धीरे धीरे पैसा आएगा, rather than lump sum payment. This is for shorter period. This is unsecured. Also, this is not lump sum. This is retail investors funding. ठीक है, तो this is a drawback. Further, that issue of securities in capital market is a time consuming process. बहुत रेयरली ये कोई ऐसा डिबेंचर निकालता होगा. ठीक है, बहुत ही पैसे की जरूरत है तो the issue must be planned in a proper way. Of course, one cannot take a decision in a one go that चलो ठीक है कल शॉर्ट टर्म अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स को निकालते हैं, है ना. बैंक क्रेडिट एंड वेंचर कैपिटल होमवर्क. ठीक है. देन सी अदर फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज. अभी तक इसका नोट्स नहीं बनाया मैंने. और क्या क्या हो सकता है? सी यू हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शंस मैन. हायर परचेज है, फॉरफिटिंग है, फिर उसके बाद में और आगे फैक्टरिंग है ना. बहुत कुछ है पढ़ने को. चलो ठीक है. विल यू डू द होमवर्क and read whatever we have studied now here? I have already shared the chart with you, so I want this chart to be prepared in everyone's notebook. Not मैम कि हाँ आपने शेयर कर दिया ना मैम उसका प्रिंट आउट लेके चिपका देंगे. डोंट डू दैट. प्लीज प्रिपेयर द चार्ट इन योर नोटबुक लाइकवाइज जो मैंने यहाँ पे अभी बनाया है. ठीक है. आई हैव शेयर्ड द PDF in WhatsApp group. I will upload the same now on our application as well. वहां से आप उसका फोटो कॉपी निकाल के यू कैन जस्ट कॉपी डाउन, और विदाउट सीइंग ऑल्सो यू कैन मेक दिस नोट्स. ठीक है. टू मेक द नोट्स इज होमवर्क. टू रीड द पार्ट विच आई हैव ऑलरेडी showed as a homework is your work for this particular lecture. बैंक क्रेडिट, वेंचर कैपिटल. ठीक है. और बाकी सारा जो अभी तक पढ़ा है, ऑल द थियरी विच इज स्टडीड टिल नाउ, GDRs, ADRs, FCCBs, प्रेफरेंस, डिबेंचर्स, इक्विटी, वो जो भी पढ़ा है, तो ऑल दोज थिंग्स ऑल्सो शुड बी स्टडीड बाय यू. ठीक है. ऑल राइट. हैव अ गुड डे गाइज. बाय बाय.